Hey everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Thor Ace 33.1. Now, the Thor Ace is America's best-selling motorhome because of the price. It is the lowest priced Class A motorhome in the entire RV industry, and it's for a reason. Ace was originally designed ACE, Class A, Class C evolution. So this is supposed to be more like a Class C motorhome, designed like a Class A, again, to help keep that price point down, keeping it the best selling. Let's take a look at some of the inside features. Inside, when you look at the cockpit area, look at the small windshield. It's the smallest Class A windshield, and again, because it is more designed like a Class C, you do have a bunk over the cab, smaller one. It does hold 250 pounds, and yes, both driver seat and passenger seat swivel around to become part of the living area. Right over here, we do have a jackknife sofa with a TV above, and then across from that TV is your theater seats. It's really nice that a small motorhome like this gives you 2 seating areas. It's very unique. You have nice big windows and very big cabinetry right here, which is very nice. Right over here is your dinette. It does raise up and drop down to make a bed. Plenty of windows and more cabinetry space over there. And then check out this kitchen area. Very nice kitchen. Again, it's hard to believe that this is a Class A motorhome that's so small. We have a very nice bathroom, very nice shower, very small and compact. And then back here in the master bedroom, tons of storage on this side. You got your TV, entertainment center drawers, topped off with a king-side bed and a slide-out. And what's so amazing about this motorhome is even when all the slide-outs are in, you can still function the whole motorhome, which again is very reminiscent to a Class C. You don't normally get that in the Class A's. Well, that's it. That's a quick 2-minute tour. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in seeing the full review of this, make sure you check out our YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, click the link down below and a member of our team will reach out to you and get you guys a phenomenal price. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.